Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to walk you through the process of installing Kali Linux 2024 on VMware Hypervisor. Whether you're a cybersecurity enthusiast or a penetration tester, Kali Linux is an essential tool in your arsenal. So before we begin, make sure you have the following prerequisites: a VMware Workstation or VMware Player or any kind of open source hypervisor like VirtualBox installed on your computer, a Kali Linux 2024 ISO file, which you can download from the official Kali Linux website, at least 20 gigabytes of free disk space and 4 gigabytes of RAM that we will allocate to our virtual machine. So first, we need to head over to the Kali website to download the image. To do this, you simply need to write Kali Linux in your search box and click the download link. Come all over on the installer images, and you can click on this link, so it will start to download the image. Of course, I've downloaded it already and I'm not going to wait for this. Then we will need to start to create a new virtual machine. So custom will do, but let's see if we can make it a little bit special. We will select the image. We can say that it's Ubuntu because it's also based on Debian. I click next. Here you need to identify the folder that you're going to install the image. Over there, this part is for the CPU. We are going to allocate 4 cores. And as for the RAM, 4 gigabytes is sufficient. Networking NAT will do. And we are not going to change any other settings. We click finish and it will start to make the VM. The VM is also created. So over here we click on run the virtual machine. We will select graphical install. We'll wait for it to load. Well, the default settings are not important, but you can actually go ahead and modify any of them that you want. It will start to install the components from the ISO file that we provided. Here it's asking for a host name. We'll just leave it at Kali. Domain name, we don't have one. It's asking for a username. Let's say Kali user for test purposes. Password, let's say for disk usage, we can select guided use entire disk. This is the easier one. But to be a little bit on the custom side, we are going to edit this and we want to allocate, let's say 20 gigabytes of it to the root, mount point, and the rest as a not here, as a swap partition. So we have two partitions. One is the root and the other one is a swap partition. We click finish partitioning. Yes. We'll wait for it to finish the installing. The installation will now begin. This may take a few minutes, so be patient. Just select defaults. Okay guys, I think the installing is finished. When it asks for install the grab bootloader, you just click yes, continue, selected device. And once the installation is completed, the system will reboot and we can log in with the user account that we created earlier. So the installation is finished. We will click on continue and it will automatically reboot. Once the reboot is done, we can log in with the user we created earlier. The user we created was Kali user, and we enter the password, we click login, and that's it, guys. You have successfully installed Kali Linux 2024 on VMware. You're now ready to explore the powerful tools and features that Kali Linux has to offer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy hacking!